Edward Helston. I believe the Alpha judging is about to commence. So if you're one of the Alpha judges, please go down and see Edward now. Throughout the day today, we'll be having a chat with some car owners and enthusiasts and finding out a little bit more about their cars. And also through the course of the day, we'll be getting selected cars to start up so you can hear what their engines might sound like. We had a Ferrari start up a few minutes ago down there, and that sounded just fantastic. Okay, and I'm also able to announce that the Rotarian barbecue area has just gone into product expansion. They've also got watermelon. So if any of the adults or kids out there would like a nice slice of watermelon, that's available for $1 at the Rotary barbecue area down under the big gum tree. So watermelon, $1.